Hi, I'm Dr. Rebecca Priyadarshini from NatureCure Healthcare Center, Secunderabad. Many people, we find that eggs that are laid by hens that are free, especially country fowl or the free roaming hens, these contain more amount of nutrition. So that is also been studied. So taking that kind of eggs are more beneficial to your health. You can also use eggs for tightening of your skin by applying the raw egg on the face. You can apply the egg to your hair. It strengthens the hair roots and it prevents hair fall. It improves the hair growth and it works as a hair conditioner. So egg has got multiple uses and it is easy to use and easily available and easy to consume. So enjoy your egg and prevent from all kinds of complications.